my name. Kia ora, ko Awatea taku ingoa.
Kia ora, my name is Jackson.
Kia ora, I'm Sky Wirahiko.
Kia ora, ko Bowen taku ingoa, and I went to Whāia to Pae Tawhiti. This kaupapa has offered me many different opportunities to link with other Māori around the University of Auckland, which are opportunities I don't get as much in my hometown, and it's shown me the opportunities I can get by coming to University of Auckland.
I've learned a lot about what it is to be Māori in university, but I've also learned that there's a lot of support, and I've met a lot of new people that can help me through my journey in university.
I initially applied for Whāia Te Pae just to figure out what I wanted to study at university. What I learned is that there is a space for Māori and that it's okay to be Māori.
I really loved Edu's speech. I grew up discouraged to display who I am. Edu taught me that what other people think of me can't affect who I am.
This is like the best place you could go leading up to university, and I would do it a million times over it.
I would 100% recommend Whāia Te Pae to anyone and everyone, especially our tauira Māori, as it's a great space to expand connections and find your community.
I would recommend Whāia Te Pae Tawhiti for everybody. If you're Māori, you should be here.